We just got an iPad mini 4. Customer said that he bought a screen to replace the broken one that he has on his iPad mini 4. But after he changed the screen, the power button no longer works. Customer brought in the iPad, he brought in the new screen that he bought, and he wants us to fix this problem. Now, the reason the power button is not working is I'm looking at the screen that he bought, and I can tell the sleep-wake sensor is not on the screen here. It has to be soldered on here. You can buy those screens with the sensor already soldered on, but it looks like the one that he bought does not have the sleep-wake sensor soldered onto the screen. Let me show you what I mean. See, if you look here, you can tell that we do not have the sleep-wake sensor soldered onto those pins. But if you look at the original one, you can see there's a piece of tape over the sensor. We have to remove that piece of tape to expose it, and then we have to desolder it and put it on the new screen. Let's go ahead and do that right now. He's coming to pick up in about an hour. I told him it may take about an hour. So let's see how it's done. The first thing we want to do is remove that piece of tape that covers the pins of the sensor. Right there. Since we do not care about the screen, we're going to use hot air. I have it at 380 degrees. Right there, that's it. So we're going to solder that piece onto the new screen. We do not need to pre-apply any solder. Let's just put this on top and just like that. What I need to do is I'm gonna press the first hole here for the soldering iron so we can secure that sleep-wake sensor in place. Just a tiny bit of flux. Pre-apply a tiny bit of solder onto the soldering iron tip. And the job's done. I'm gonna assemble this and see if the power button will work. I'll be back. I assembled the iPad mini 4. Let's check and see if the power button works. The problem is the power button does work, but he has to press it for like 4 seconds. That's because the sleep wake sensor is not present. Let's see if that fixes the problem. So we should be able to turn on and off the tablet. Perfect. When the customer came in, he presses on the button and nothing happens. Now it's working. On, off, on, off, on, off. Great. So that's it. That was a quick repair. We're going to call the customer to come and pick up, and we have a lot of other things to get done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.